Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna Ali and I'm from SoVeryJo.com. Today I am going to do a spring pattern haul. Summer is right around the corner. That's fine because that's going to be my next video. But I wanted to share with you guys all of the patterns that I purchased during the last few months. I have quite a few of them, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, okay? All right, we are going to start off with Simplicity 8830. This is your classic shirt dress, and then you can make it into a top. Super cute for the summertime. It looks like it's pretty easy to put together. And there is a video that goes along with this. Next, we've got Simplicity 8832. This is cute. It's a maxi dress. You've got 3 different views with different sleeves. I love the flowy sleeves and these sleeves. I have a thing for sleeves, you'll see. Next, I have Simplicity 8834. This is a cute little dress. Should come together quickly. And again, look at these bishop sleeves. Love. Next, I have Simplicity 8840. I purchased it because I love these pleats. Next, we have Simplicity 8841. I purchased this because I have an issue with pants. I'm scared to make them. Really, I just need to practice. I'm just scared that they won't fit and then I'll have fit issues because everybody always has issues, but I really need to get over that and make these pants. So I purchased the pattern to get some practice. Next, we have Simplicity 8843. This is super cute little jacket, perfect for South Florida weather. Hurricane season is coming up starting June 1st. So this would be a really cute little raincoat. It would be light and just perfect for the weather here. Next, I have Simplicity 8845. It is your classic jean jacket. I had a jean jacket that I wore until it was falling apart at the seams, literally. So I had to let it go. But now I need a new one, and so I think that this would be really good, especially since Mimi G's patterns always come with a sew-along. Next, we have Simplicity 8870. This dress is gorgeous. Where am I going? I have nowhere to go. I love this view, this off the shoulder, one sleeve. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I don't know where I'm going, but I've got this in my stash just in case the opportunity arises. Next, I have Simplicity 8873. I love this dress. It's so cute. I love a midi. That's my favorite length. I think that this dress would be very flattering. It doesn't look difficult at all. It looks like the bodice and the bottom, and you'll be good to go. So I'm definitely going to give this one a try. Next, I have Simplicity 8874. I know it has this number here. This was the display, but if you are to look up this pattern, the pattern number is 8874. And this is a cute maxi dress that you can make in different lengths, and it has pockets. Next, I have Simplicity 8888, a maxi dress. I like the Simplicity patterns that come with the different pattern hack options. So you can make it shorter, you can change the sleeves. Next, we have Simplicity 8889. In linen, you can make it matching or not, but this cute button-down shirt is adorable in these cargo pants. And next, I have a few McCall patterns. This is McCall's 7740. Let me just be honest. I saw this pattern before and I went right past it because I was not interested in it. But Danesha from Classified Life made a sew along where she turned the top to view D. Well, she turned this view into a top, and she has a sew along for it. So I purchased this pattern specifically for that, so I can make that top. Next, I have McCall's 7912. I am really digging the sleeveless view. Although all three are great, but I like the sleeveless one. Next, we have McCall's 7914. You can make different bags. I mean, who doesn't need a bag? So you can make a little wristlet version or a larger one. And now, last but not least, I have McCall's 7897. Look at this pattern. I like the dresses that are underneath it. They look like a classic dress. This detachable skirt is everything. And what I actually want to do with this is make a fitted jumpsuit and have a detachable skirt. That would be really nice. So that's why I purchased this pattern. That brings my spring pattern haul to a conclusion. I think I did enough damage on patterns. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys, until next time.